Let's fix if your iPhone ringer volume is getting low when you're getting a call. Now, if you're getting a call on your iPhone and basically the volume goes down, maybe it starts a little bit higher and then it gets lower, I'm going to show you how to fix that. That's actually a feature that Apple has built into your phone, and it's because basically it has awareness of whether you've looked at your phone or not. So in theory, if you're not looking at your phone, it'll make that ringer noise louder. But if you look down and stare directly at your phone, it'll know that you're paying attention to it, and then it will decrease that ringer volume. But if you don't want that to happen, you can always hop into your settings here, and then we'll scroll down until we find accessibility and tap on that. And then you can see Face ID and attention midway down. We will tap on that. And then we will want to turn off this attention aware features. And the very last part is the key thing. It says iPhone will check for attention, aka if you're looking at your iPhone, before dimming the display, expanding the notification when locked, or lowering the volume on some alerts. In other words, if you get a call or a FaceTime call or something like that, if you look directly at your phone, it will lower the volume of that. So if you want to turn that off, you just turn that off. Enter in your password, and there you go. All those attention-aware features have been disabled. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.